All right, welcome back. This is William Gates, and this is Calling Home. Um, this video is about our um, contacts and lead builders list. All right, so this is a service that we offer business companies, business corporations, and individuals uh, for their contact needs. Should you need to contact people or businesses, both nationally or internationally, then we offer this service for your company or your plans. So we start our services at $30 for 100 page listing. Now this can be targeted by keywords, different search criteria, different areas. Should you want to be specific to Africa, if it was international, or Afghanistan, or if you wanted to be specific to Canada or Colorado or California. So you can be specific to your searches and the areas or the people that you want to scout out. We have pre-filled autoresponders. So we have should we have an autoresponder that's suitable for your service, then we can already contact some of these persons on behalf of your business prior to you actually receiving the list. So we have communications already pre-established, so it's that more easier for you to break into your services or your office. So a list of 100 emails, phone numbers, and addresses for per company is $30, and you have your $75 service. Then you have your $200 service, so on and so forth. These are services that are also combinable with or can be combined with other services that we offer, but currently this is this service separately. So if you're starting up and you just need a basic plan, or if you're full blown and you want a comprehensive plan, then that's afforded you for your company at great prices. Again, like you know that you can also have this included in our basic business plan package for $199.99 a month, but separately, this can be planned or tailored for your needs. So yeah, that is our leads finder, and we use a variety of ways to generate leads and a variety of social channels and verbal platforms or oral platforms and things of that nature. So we have the ability to reach millions, if not more, on social platforms, millions, if not more, through the oral channels. And these channels are where you can actually receive payment for content. We can rank. We have services that allow you to get max benefit as far as exposure, both nationally and internationally. And these services can be afforded you anywhere from the prices where I have just offered you $30 or all the way up to $5,000, if not more. So these services are becoming, they are very expensive, but they are offered to you at a very inexpensive cost. And it's it's something that you do not have to monitor. It's something that will be you will be immediately notified of and afforded our knowledge of things that should change to generate better results. And you get your you receive charted information as far as monitoring. So yeah, the leads finder, we also use, like I said, we use a number of things to scout out the leads. Like you can use search terms, references, zip codes, direct addresses. Three of our main sources that we filter through are Google, Facebook, and Yellow Pages, and this allows us to get a range of results. Some come back with just a phone number and a website. Phone number and a website, name, phone number and a website, or just a name and a website, or just a phone number and an email, name, phone number, and email. So it's a number of ways depending on how you want to communicate. Should that be phone calls, which could be discussed, planned, and set in motion. There are a number of things that could be developed that'll make the situation more beneficial for you and less stressful for you. Like I said, we try to render solutions to businesses, not bring more frustrations. A lot of things like marketing can be very frustrating because you have to put so much into it. You have to be on film. You have to draft content. You have to purchase services. You have to deliver services. You have to find resources, scout valuable products that will be productive as far as income. You have to find the right platform to mount your brand on. We do offer the website service. We do offer the interactive pages, the platforms. We offer we afford you as much as we can to make it as smooth of a process as possible. I mean, it's very easy to pay for something, but it's real hard to get a value out of it. And we try to make it just as easy to get the value out of the service as it is to pay for the service. So, this is our active leads finder. We have, like I said, we have a variety of ways that we generate leads. This is one of which there are multiple or more which are more productive than what I'm addressing right now. But this is just the beginning. It's affordable for you, and it can be quickly delivered, or it can be developed over time for more results. You can get 100 today, or you can get 5,000 in 2 or 3 weeks. So it's all depending on the urgency of your needs, what your services are, because some services can't be done over the phone or through one email. It takes a series of emails or a series of phone calls, or developing an actual relationship with the consumer. So we offer the foot in the door, which is the contact. We can contact them directly ourselves. We can contact them through different ways, messages, phone calls, social sites, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot of benefits, and these can go from leads you want immediately to go from cold calls and cold emails to leads you've developed over a little bit of time, to where all it takes is you to call and close a sale. So the contact is there, the communication is there. The prices do vary, but the beginning prices start out at $29.99. So you can get you a list of 100 emails you can contact on your own, upload into your opt-in autoresponders, and deliver instantly, just to have production for today, or just to have enough production for the week, just to close out the month with enough production. So look into the business profiles, look into the leads profile, look into the sales channels, look into our basic plan package. Develop your business plan package. Who knows, you might not have business videos to market. We also offer marketed videos, so these can all be a part of your plan package. These are our services, and you have your options to like and subscribe for things that you might find interesting later on. You have your options to visit our website at callingHomeLLC.com and contact us through the contact form or become a member of the website and develop your own marketing plan or retain your own services. Our services generally are valid for a year, but contracts can be revised to extend further than the years available now. So my name is William Gates again. Thank you, and this is Calling Home. On callingHomeLLC.com or contact me directly at wgates@callingHomeLLC.com.